Are you ready to step into a brighter version of yourself? Manifesting a new you isn't about becoming someone else. It's about unlocking the best version of who you already are. With a few revolutionary steps, you can realign your energy, attract positivity, and take control of your destiny. Let's look into how you can start creating the life you've always dreamed of. Manifestation begins with self-awareness. To attract the new you, it's essential to understand where you currently stand. Take a moment to evaluate your energy. Are you carrying negativity from past experiences or harboring limiting beliefs? Identifying these blocks is the first step in transforming your mindset. When you're aware of what's holding you back, you gain the power to release it. Journaling is a helpful tool for uncovering hidden thoughts and patterns. Write about your fears, doubts, and frustrations, but also note your dreams and desires. Seeing your thoughts on paper brings clarity and helps you decide what energy to let go of and what to nurture. Focus on your emotions as well. How do you feel daily? Your feelings are a reflection of your current energy. If you notice frequent stress or unhappiness, it's time to shift that energy into something more positive and productive. Lastly, remind yourself that awareness is not judgment. Recognizing your current state isn't about labeling it as good or bad. It's about creating a starting point for your transformation. Visualization is a cornerstone of manifesting the new you. It bridges the gap between your current self and the future you want to create. Close your eyes and picture yourself living your ideal life. Imagine every detail, the sights, sounds, and feelings of this new reality. The more vivid your visualization, the stronger the message you send to the universe about your desires. To make visualization a daily habit, set aside a few minutes each morning or evening. Consistency helps solidify the image of your future self in your mind, making it easier to align your actions with your goals. Visualization also helps you identify what you truly want. Sometimes we chase goals that don't align with our authentic selves. By imagining your ideal life, you can refine your vision and focus on what brings you genuine joy and fulfillment. Combine visualization with emotion. Feel the excitement, peace, or happiness of your future self. Emotions amplify the power of manifestation, making your intentions more potent. Holding on to the past can prevent you from moving forward. To manifest a new you, it's vital to release old habits, grudges, and limiting beliefs. Start by forgiving yourself and others. Forgiveness isn't about condoning hurtful actions. It's about freeing yourself from the weight of resentment. When you let go of anger or regret, you make space for new positive experiences. Decluttering your physical space is another powerful way to let go of the past. Items tied to painful memories or outdated versions of yourself can hold you back. Clearing these out sends a message to the universe that you're ready for new opportunities. Challenge limiting beliefs that no longer serve you. Whether it's "I'm not good enough" or "I don't deserve happiness," replacing these thoughts with empowering affirmations can transform your mindset. Letting go is a process. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Each step brings you closer to becoming the person you aspire to be. Intentions are the blueprint for your transformation. Without clear intentions, it's easy to drift through life without a sense of purpose. Start by defining what the new you looks like. Is it a more confident, healthier, or creative version of yourself? Write down specific goals that align with this vision. The more detailed your intentions, the easier it is to manifest them. Use positive language when setting your intentions. Instead of focusing on what you want to avoid, focus on what you want to create. For example, replace "I don't want to feel stressed" with "I choose to feel calm and balanced." Break down your goals into actionable steps. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. Identify small, manageable actions that move you toward your larger vision. Finally, review your intentions regularly. As you grow, your goals may evolve. Adjusting your intentions ensures they remain aligned with your authentic self. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. It's a simple yet powerful practice that accelerates manifestation. Begin each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as a good cup of coffee or as profound as a supportive relationship. Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts more positivity into your life. Expressing gratitude for your goals as if they've already been achieved is another effective technique. For example, say, "I'm grateful for my improved health," even if you're still on your journey. This mindset shift reinforces your belief in your ability to manifest. Share your gratitude with others, whether it's a thank you note or a heartfelt conversation. Expressing appreciation strengthens your relationships and spreads positivity. Turn setbacks into opportunities for gratitude. Even challenges teach valuable lessons that contribute to your growth. Finding something to be thankful for in tough times keeps your energy aligned with abundance. Manifestation requires patience and faith. Trust that the universe is working in your favor even when results aren't immediate. Doubt can derail your progress, so practice affirmations that reinforce your belief in the process. Phrases like, "I trust that everything is unfolding perfectly," help you stay positive and focused. Focus on the journey rather than the destination. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Celebrate progress instead of fixating on what's yet to come. Let go of the need to control every detail. The universe often delivers in ways you don't expect, but these surprises can lead to outcomes even better than you imagined. Keep in mind that delays aren't denials. Sometimes the timing isn't right, or you need to learn a lesson before moving forward. Trust that everything happens for your highest good. While intentions set the stage for manifestation, your actions bring those intentions to life. Without taking deliberate steps toward your goals, even the strongest desires can stagnate. Begin by evaluating whether your daily habits align with your desired outcomes. For example, if you aim to be healthier, are you choosing nourishing foods and prioritizing exercise? Small, consistent actions are the foundation of long-term change. Create a routine that supports your vision. This can include dedicating time each day to your goals, such as practicing a skill, meditating, or working on personal development. Having a structure keeps you focused and motivated. Surround yourself with supportive influences. Whether it's people who encourage your growth or environments that inspire creativity, your surroundings can significantly impact your ability to take meaningful actions. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Every step, even if imperfect, brings you closer to your new self. The key is to learn from setbacks and use them as fuel to keep moving forward. Resistance and self-doubt are common obstacles in the manifestation process. They stem from fear, insecurity, or limiting beliefs and can block the energy needed to bring your desires to fruition. To release resistance, practice mindfulness. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and redirect your focus to positive affirmations or constructive actions. Identify the root causes of your doubts. Are they based on past experiences, societal expectations, or inner fears? Understanding their origins makes it easier to address and overcome them. Challenge your doubts with evidence. Remind yourself of times when you've achieved success despite uncertainty. This strengthens your confidence and reduces the power of limiting beliefs. Another effective method is meditation. Meditating on your intentions helps quiet the mind and align your energy with your goals. It's a space to connect with your inner wisdom and reaffirm your worthiness to manifest your desires. Intuition is your inner compass, guiding you toward decisions that align with your true self. Tapping into this natural wisdom can provide clarity and direction on your journey of transformation. Pay attention to your gut feelings. They often serve as signals from your subconscious, helping you navigate choices that resonate with your intentions. Trusting these instincts can lead to surprising and rewarding opportunities. Practice stillness regularly. Activities like meditation, nature walks, or simply sitting in silence allow you to tune out external noise and listen to your inner voice. Intuition thrives in moments of calm. Journaling can also help you access your intuitive thoughts. Write freely about your feelings, dreams, and goals. Often, your subconscious reveals insights through this process that guide you forward. Don't overthink. Intuition isn't about analyzing every detail. It's about feeling your way through decisions. The more you practice trusting yourself, the stronger your intuitive abilities will become. Celebrating progress is an essential, yet often overlooked part of manifesting transformation. Acknowledging how far you've come keeps your motivation high and reinforces positive energy. Take time to reflect on your achievements, no matter how small they seem. Each step represents growth and brings you closer to your goals. Documenting these moments in a gratitude journal can be a powerful reminder of your journey. Share your successes with supportive friends or loved ones. Their encouragement can amplify your sense of accomplishment and inspire you to keep going. Reward yourself for milestones. Treating yourself to something you enjoy, whether it's a relaxing day off or a meaningful purchase, reinforces the idea that your efforts are worthwhile. Progress isn't always linear. Some days will feel more productive than others, but every effort contributes to the bigger picture. Celebrate the process as much as the outcome. Manifesting a new version of yourself isn't about perfection. It's about persistence, alignment, and self-love. Each step you take, whether small or bold, brings you closer to a life of fulfillment, joy, and abundance. By releasing resistance, trusting your intuition, and celebrating your progress, you unlock the incredible potential within you to create lasting change. You have the power to transform your life, starting today. If this inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more insights and practical steps to manifest the life you deserve. Let's continue this journey together toward a brighter, more empowered you.